Hey, thanks for joining my channel. This is going to be a really quick unboxing video today of some Auxbeam pod lights. I got little 3-inch guys. They're very, very similar to the Baja designs, but they're like way cheaper, way cheaper. So hopefully they work out just as well. So we'll open these up together. We'll take a look-see. We'll see what comes with these things. I got a feeling we'll be pleasantly surprised as to what you get for your money. And again, thanks very much for joining my horrible channel and listening to my voice, which is horrible because I have allergies like you wouldn't believe. Like horrible. I go places and people think I have COVID. I don't have COVID. I wish I had COVID. It wouldn't last as long. Anyways, thank you for watching these horrible videos again. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and comment. If you want to see some other stupid videos or stuff you want me to do to Jeeps, let me know. Thanks very much and enjoy my horrible video. Okay, so here we are. The Aux lights came from Amazon, so let's open these up. I don't have a cool knife. I have this guy. I need to buy like a really big knife, I think, just so my unboxing videos can look cool. Oh, it's a box within a box. What the heck was that? All right. Perfect. All right, light the way. All right, now let's open this up. It's really packaged nicely. Oh wow, let's turn the box around here so we can see it. That's what it looks like when you open the box. You get a very nice sticker. So it's reflective too. So you get a sticker from Auxbeam. Oh, there's the ambers. So you can actually put the amber covers to make these a bit better for fog or for snow, which is kind of cool. There's the bracketry that you need to put onto your windshield mounts or wherever you're going to stick these guys. Me, it's a Jeep Gladiator, so it's going to go on my windshield mounts. Looks like you've got your mounting instructions. This is what I like. You actually get a wiring harness. Now, some companies do give these to you, but a lot of these expensive guys, I can never pronounce the one name, but they don't give you anything. They give you just, like, you gotta buy your own pigtails. All right, so let's check these out. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice, check that out. Hope the lighting's good so you can see it, but these are just aluminum housings. And it looks like there's 2 mounts. This one here will be the mount for what I've got for my windshield, and that there is a flush mount screw. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. There we go. Those are nice. And again, waterproof connections, which is nice. So that's good stuff. Let's just check the second one here, make sure that's not broken or anything. Okay, we're good. We're good to go. Same thing. I like the sides for the venting there, for the heat. I don't know why I can't speak. The venting for the heat there to get rid of it so it doesn't heat up your light. LEDs are great because they don't take hardly any voltage at all. Alright, so let's get this back in. There we go. Okay, that's it. That's how quick it is. That's an unboxing video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, thumbs up, all that stuff. And I appreciate you. And we'll see you again when I do another horrible video. Thank you. Have a great day.